Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the mining newsflash here at Commodity-TV with Sibanye-Stillwater Gold Mining, Trillium Gold and Canada Nickel. Sibanye-Stillwater is repurchasing shares in the market from 2nd June 2021 to 6 April 2022. Up to 5% of the share capital will be bought back and then cancelled. In doing so, they are spreading the company's profits over fewer shares, which will lead to higher earnings per share and should also benefit the dividend. The buyback program is a consequence of the successful financial deleveraging, the resumption of industry-leading dividend payments in 2020, and is in line with the strategic capital allocation framework approved by the board in February 2021. This 2021 framework prioritizes investment in operational sustainability, maintaining adequate cash reserves, paying industry-leading dividends, and prudent debt management. Sibanye-Stillwater remains undervalued, and we again expect earnings to rise this year and a massive dividend increase. GoldMining initiates a preliminary economic assessment called PEA for its 100% owned São Jorge Gold Project in the Pará state in Brazil and announces the results of an updated resource estimate. The indicated resource is 710,000 ounces gold at a grade of 1.55 grams gold per ton, and the inferred resource is 720,000 ounces gold at 1.27 grams gold per ton. The resource is based on an optimized pit shell to constrain resources, a database of 145 drill holes totaling more than 37,000 meters, and modernized cost and pricing assumptions, including a gold price of only $1,600 per ounce. GoldMining is pleased with both the scope and grade of the new resource estimate. The PEA will be used to evaluate a possible open pit and further work for underground potential. GoldMining's portfolio of gold and copper projects across the Americas is in top condition, and it has also initiated the PEA at its Yellowknife and La Mina projects in Canada and Colombia, respectively. GoldMining is now starting to reap the harvest of the last 10 years for sure. H.C. Wainwright Research has just reiterated its buy recommendation and assigned a price target of $5.75. Trillium Gold Mines started fieldwork on its deposits in the Confederation greenstone belt. These cover approximately 65 kilometers of gold and base metal bearing ground and include the Confederation Belt, Copperlode West, Caras Lake and Moose Creek and Caribou Creek properties. The majority of the Confederation greenstone belt properties are accessible by vehicle or boat and are located adjacent to a waterline that runs parallel to the Wannasaga Road between Ear Falls and Pickle Lake in Ontario. In light of Great Bear Resources' recent gold exploration success in the southwest on Dixie, these project areas are now considered highly prospective and attractive. Trillium is raising an additional $4 million Canadian at a price of $1 Canadian per unit, including a share and a warrant with $1.50 exercise price. This will allow Trillium to massively accelerate exploration. Canada Nickel announced great environmental news for their Crawford Nickel Project. The Crawford mine's lifetime carbon footprint will be 99.7% lower than global nickel production today and has only 2.05 tons CO2 emissions per ton of nickel equivalent production, which is 93% lower than the industry average of 29 tons CO2 emissions in the rest of the world. The estimate excludes potential carbon offsets expected from the company's waste rock and tailings, which is expected to result in a net zero CO2 production, making nickel production truly green. This should massively increase interest in the project from major producers, as ESG and the green wave in mining makes this just the thing for corporations like Glencore or BHP Billiton. Coupled with the positive PEA already reported on 25th May, we look forward to the feasibility study in Q1 2022. Canada Nickel has enormous potential, and we think the share too. My team and myself are or may be shareholders in the companies presented, and they are or may become part of the SRC Mining Special Situation Certificate. Thanks for watching us, and bye-bye from Switzerland.